Welcome back. We're going to find the degree of the polynomial and the leading coefficient. But before we do that, we need rearrange it, so make sure the exponent is decreasing from left to right. Alright, the first one, we do not need to rearrange it because we only have one term. It is called monomial. Let's look at the degree. The degree is this exponent. The degree is 5. And the leading coefficient, that is 4. Alright, we're going to erase this part. Remember, we might need to rearrange it if the exponent is not already listed. Decrease from left to right. Let's look at the second one. This n has exponent 1. N has exponent 2, so we're going to rearrange it. Negative 2 n squared plus 4 n plus 3. Now the exponent is decreasing from left to right. Okay, we can write the degree of the polynomial is the one that has the highest exponent, which is 2. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 2. Then the leading coefficient, that is negative 2. Okay, our last one, rearrange it. Here has exponent 4, so we're going to write down that first. Here's a 3. Here's 2. Last one, copy it down. Alright, we're going to come back, look at the degree of the polynomial is 1 has the highest exponent, which is degree of the polynomial is 4. And the leading coefficient in this example is right here, so it is also 4. Now, we just completed this practice. Happy learning!